Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning, Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 1, Myself, Lesson 3, Keeping Clean and Fit. So, what do you mean by keeping clean and fit? That is, we have to keep our body clean and fit, right? Why we need to keep our body clean and fit? What is the importance of keeping our body clean and fit? Yes, here is the answer for that. First, you can study well. If you are keeping your body clean and fit, you will be the healthiest person. So, you can study well. You can go to school every day. But if you are sick, whether you will be able to go to school, you will miss all the portions, right? Then you have to do lot of work on the next day. But if you are healthy, you can go to school every day and you can do that day homework that day itself. So no pending works. Okay, little you can do every day, right? Then if you are healthy, you can play games with your friends or with your brother. If we are healthy, we can enjoy our life. See, we can go to beach and we can play in the beach. Okay, you can make a sand castle. But if you are sick, whether your parents will take you to beach, whether they will allow you to go to water and play, no. Okay, so you have to keep your body healthy, clean and fit for studying well, playing games and to enjoy your life. Okay, next, what are the things we have to do to keep this body clean and fit? We will see one by one. Okay, how we can keep ourselves clean? The first thing is we have to wash our hands with soap and water, because soap and water removes the bacteria and the microorganisms present in your hands, and your hands will be clean. So whenever you are touching a dirty surfaces or whenever you are having a contact with the untidy surfaces, immediately you have to go and wash your hands with soap and water. Okay, next is washing our hair. Washing our hair with shampoo, not every day, maybe once in a week you can wash your hair with shampoo. Okay, this will kill all the infections present in your head. If you don't clean your head properly, see there is a lice which will be present on your head, and always you have to scratch your head. Okay, so if you are keeping your head clean by washing it, you can be free from this head lice infection, and your hair looks shiny and your hair will have a good smell. Okay, and it will be clean also. Understood? Next, you have to take bath daily. Take a bath not once in a week. Okay, you have to take bath every day. It will remove all the skin infection, because our skin will be dirty. We are going here and there, we are going to school, we are playing in the mud, you are playing in the ground, and you will carry many microorganisms, okay, or bacteria in your skin. So if you don't take bath daily, that microorganisms and bacteria will make you to get skin infections. Okay, so you have to take bath daily. Understood? So what are the personal cleanliness measures you have to take? First one is washing your hands with soap and water, which will remove the microorganisms present in your hand. Next, washing your hair. Okay, so this will keep your hair clean and shiny and remove the head lice. Okay, next you have to take bath daily, which will prevent your skin from skin infections. Okay, next one is keeping our eyes and ears clean. Okay, so this also comes under personal cleanliness. Okay, So keeping our eyes and ears clean. How you can keep your eyes and ears clean? To clean your eyes, you have to use clean hanky. Okay. So to clean your eyes, you have to use clean hanky. Then to wash your face, you have to use a clean water. Okay. Wash your face with clean water. Then should not rub your eyes. Okay. If you feel some irritation on your eyes, immediately you should not go on rub your eyes. What you have to do instead? You can go and wash your face with the clean water, then the irritations will go. Okay. If some dust enter into your eyes, you should not simply sit and rub it. Okay. You have to go and wash your face with clean water, so you will be free from the dust. Understood, kids? Then how you will keep your ears clean? So the same way, to clean your ears, you have to use a clean hanky. Okay, you have to use clean hanky to clean your ears. Then you should not insert any sharp object into the ears. Should not use any sharp object into your ears. Then you should not insert your fingers also. You should not insert your fingers into the ears. Okay, if you have severe itching, you can go and consult the ENT doctor and get the treatment for that. Simply you are keeping your fingers inside your ears and doing and rubbing like this will create more infection to your ears. Okay, so how you will keep your eyes and ears clean? You have to clean your eyes with clean hanky. Then wash your face with clean water. Then you should not rub your eyes. If you have any dust, you have to immediately wash with clean water. Next is ears. You have to clean your ears with clean hanky. Then you should not insert any sharp objects into your ears which will damage your ears. And you should not insert your fingers and rub the ears. If you have any infections in the ear, you have to consult the ENT doctor and get the treatment. Okay. Next one is keeping our teeth clean. How to keep our teeth clean? So you have to brush your teeth morning and before going to sleep. Okay. So how many times you have to brush daily? You have to brush your teeth morning as well as before going to sleep. Why you need to brush before going to sleep? So whatever food you took throughout the day, some particles will be left over in your teeth. Okay, so when you are sleeping, that will form a cavity. Okay, this is called tooth decay or cavity. Okay, if you are not brushing your teeth properly, you will have tooth decay. Okay, so if you brush properly, you can save your teeth from tooth decay. Understood, kids? And if you are brushing properly, you will have a bright teeth and you can have a good smile with others. Okay, but if you are not brushing your teeth properly and you will have a dental decay or tooth decay in your teeth, how you will smile in front of others? You will try to avoid smiling, right? You don't want to show your ugly teeth to the others, right? So you will try to keep your mouth closed, right? Yes. So if you are brushing morning and night, your teeth will be bright and shiny and you can smile with others. Okay, this will prevent you from tooth decay. And if you have any problem, if you feel there is a pain when drinking hot water or cold water, immediately you can go to the doctor and check your teeth. Understood, kids? Next one is keeping our nose clean. How can we keep our nose clean? To keep our nose clean, we have to use a clean hanky. Okay, and we should not insert the fingers into the nose. When you are inserting the fingers inside the nose, you may have bleeding. Okay, so that may lead to nose bleeding. So don't insert your fingers into the nose. Okay, next is don't insert any objects into the nose. See, here is the buds, and here a toddler is inserting the crayons into the nose. Okay, so don't do such kind of activities. This all leads to nose bleeding and nasal damage. Okay kids, next one is keeping our fingers and toes clean. Keeping our fingers and toes clean. How can we keep our fingers and toes clean? Okay, if you have long nails, immediately you have to cut short the nails in the fingers as well as in the toes. Okay, why? Because if you have long nails, the germs will enter inside the nails, and when you are taking food, that germs will enter inside your body. Okay, so always you have to cut short your finger and toenails to keep your hands clean. Okay, always use soap and water to clean your hands. Understood? So you have to wash your hands with soap and water to remove the microorganisms which presents inside your nails. Okay, and don't bite your nails. What happens when you bite the nails? Already I told, the long nails will have some microorganisms inside. So when you are keeping your nails and biting, that microorganisms will enter inside your body, and which will trouble you and it will cause some of the diseases to you. Understood kids? So how can we keep our body clean? What are the personal cleanliness measures you have to take to keep your body clean? First you have to wash your hands with soap and water. Then you have to wash your hair. Then you should take bath daily. Then you have to brush your teeth properly to avoid from tooth decay. Then you have to keep your eyes, ears and nose clean. You have to use only clean hanky to clean your eyes, ears and nose. You should not insert any objects into your nose and ears which will cause damage to your ears and nose. Okay, if you find any irritation on your eyes, you should not rub your eyes. Instead you have to wash your face with clean water. Okay, and you have to keep your fingers and toes clean by cut short your fingers and toenails and wash your hands with soap and water. Never bite your nails. Okay, because through this nail biting, microorganisms will enter your body and make you sick. Understood kids? If you like my videos, subscribe to enhance your learning. Thank you.